This is the Suripow coffee maker. It comes with the removable drip tray. But it's non-adjustable height. Over here you can do K-cups. It easily comes out like that. Here's the needle. Here's the reservoir. This is the water reservoir, and you can see that it has the ounces right there, 6, 8, 10, and 14 ounce. The water reservoir is also removable. Here's the filter. This is the lid that it comes with. So if you decide not to make K-cups, you can make filtered coffee. Just fill the ground coffee up to the maximum fill line. And then just to make it easier, because it's kind of difficult to see the lines, you can use a measuring cup to pour into the water reservoir. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to make 1 cup of coffee. I'm going to go ahead and make 12 ounces of coffee. I'm going to go ahead and fill the water to the measuring cup up to 1.5 cups. I'm using bottled water. Always use a filtered water when using a coffee machine in order to prevent lime scale buildup from hard water. So you can see there, it's just right below the 14 ounce line. Then go ahead and press it forward, and then it'll pop up. Here's the K-cup attachment, and just go ahead and choose your coffee cup flavor. And then go ahead and choose Donut Shop. So it doesn't have an on and off switch, but it is connected. And it has 2 buttons right here. You see there's capsule and ground coffee. So all I have to do is just press the capsule button. And within a few minutes, it'll just go ahead and start. Here's the timer. I'm going to go ahead and start it. It has now started to drip at the 2 minutes and 20 seconds. And it's now finished dripping, and it's 3 minutes and 25 seconds. And then when you want to remove the capsule, go ahead and press the button for it again. And all you have to do is just lift this flap up and then walk over to your trash and just dump it, and that's it. It brews a really hot cup of coffee, about 163 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you're interested, go ahead and give it a try.